In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create serial numbers in Airtable. We'll start inside an existing base. Go ahead and open the base and table where you want to add your serial numbers. In my case, I'm in a table with a few sample records, but this works the same way no matter what your data looks like. Just make sure you're in the right table before you continue. First, we're going to create a dedicated field for our serial numbers. At the top of your table, look for the plus icon to add a new field. Click that area to create a new column. When the field creation panel opens, choose the field type called Auto Number. This type automatically assigns a unique, increasing number to each record, starting from 1 and going up as you add more rows. That gives us a simple, reliable backbone for our serial numbers. Click Create Field to add this auto number column to your table. You should now see numbers appear down the column, 1 per record. This is already a working serial sequence, but often you'll want more control, like adding a prefix or combining the number with other text. To do that, we'll use a formula field. Next, we'll edit the primary field or another text field so it can display a formatted serial number. Click on the header of the field whose values you want to turn into serial numbers. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Edit Field. A configuration panel will open on the right or in a dialog. Right now, this field is set as single-line text. Click on that field type and change it to Formula. When you select Formula, Airtable will show a formula editor. This is where you can reference your auto number field and build your serial number format, for example, by combining text with the auto number value. In the formula box, type your desired expression that uses the auto number field. Take a moment to check the preview below the editor to make sure the output looks the way you expect. Once you're happy with the formula and the previewed serial numbers, click Save. Airtable will apply the formula to every record, instantly generating consistent serial numbers across your table. From now on, each time you add a new record, Airtable will automatically assign the next auto number, and your formula field will update to show the correct serial number format without any extra work from you.